Hey guys, today we are going to do a pattern practice for the song Rockabye by Clean Bandit, which is a really fun song to play. This song is going to work on our G chord that we've been looking at and doing in class now for a couple weeks. And so I want to teach you the basic pattern and get you sort of prepared for that so that when we do the video, you're ready. So this particular song only uses 3 of the 4 chords that we know, and it uses them in the same order for the entire song. So the 3 chords that it uses is the A minor chord. It starts on A minor, so that's orange dot. Then it goes to F, which is just add the first finger, green dots. And then we have that switch to G chord, which is our 3 purple dots. Okay, so it's A minor, F, and G. And so there's really kind of 2 ways you can do this. We're going to do it with 1 strum on A minor, 1 strum on F, and then 2 on G. Now when you get really good at it, we can kind of speed it up a little bit, but here's what you have to do. The big change in the song is F to G. So what we're going to do is practice that F to G switch, because you're going to have to do that pretty quickly. So what I want you to do is you're going to do 4 strums on F and 4 strums on G, and then we're going to go back to 4 strums on F and 4 strums on G. So it's green to purple. Okay, so we're going to start on our F chord. We're going to strum 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to switch to our purple dots, G, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go back to our F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to switch. Purple dots, G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to loop that pattern. So we're going to do 4 on F, 4 on G, 4 on F, 4 on G without stopping. Okay, so I'm going to get myself ready in my F position, green dots, and I'll count. We're going to do that pattern 2 times. 1, 2, starting on F. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you're still struggling to make that switch to G, that's okay. That takes a little bit of time to settle in, but the more you do this kind of thing, you're actually getting better whether you realize it or not. So let's go to the actual pattern of the song. All right, so every time we start at the beginning of a line, it's going to be on A minor. So we're going to do 1 strum on A minor, add your finger down for F, and then move to G, 2 times on G. All right, so I'm going to put the pattern up, and we're going to try this pattern. So we're going to go A minor first. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, F, G, G, back to A minor, F, G, G, one more time, A minor, F, G, G, and we'll stop right there. Okay, so that is basically the entire song. So what you want to be able to do really is make sure that you can kind of get that F to G switch and just keep practicing going back and forth from F to G, F to G until that switch starts to become a little bit easier for you. And then when you're able to do that, you can try the play along. So really what I want you to do, just to show you a couple tricks, okay? So if you're starting on A minor, which is your orange dot, all you're doing to go to F is adding a finger. So that part's pretty easy. So it's always going to be A minor, add 1 finger, now you're at F. Then you have the big switch to G, which is the hardest one. And then you go right back to A minor, add your first finger for F, and then make that switch to G. So just keep practicing that pattern slowly, and then you can try to go to the video. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. A minor, F, G. A minor, F, G. So keep practicing, and when you think you're ready, you can try the play along. We're going to be doing that as a class, but this is helping you get that muscle memory down. And even if you think you're not making progress as fast as you want, I guarantee if you are doing these videos with me, you are making progress. So I'm super proud of you and all the hard work that you've been putting in. You are going to be amazing. Can't wait to do this as a group.